Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly made waffles, golden and crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. With the Hamilton Beach Belgian Waffle Maker, that dream can be your reality every morning. This sleek, 4-piece design allows you to whip up delicious waffles in no time. The non-stick plates mean easy release and even easier cleanup, no more wrestling with your breakfast. Adjustable browning control lets you customize your waffles to perfection, whether you like them light and fluffy or dark and crispy. Plus, the indicator lights take the guesswork out of cooking, so you'll know exactly when your waffles are ready. Whether you're serving up a classic breakfast or experimenting with toppings like fresh fruit or whipped cream, this waffle maker is your ticket to a delightful start to the day. Enjoy the perfect waffle experience right at home. Order now by now link in the description.